Hello and welcome to Storytextbook. I'm Emma. Today, we're going to practice the present continuous tense. Ready to get started? Let's go. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Now, let's dive into our practice. What are you doing right now? You have 10 seconds to answer. You might say, I am watching a video. Great! What are you doing at home today? You have 10 seconds. An example answer could be, I am cleaning my room. That sounds productive. What is your friend doing at the moment? You have 10 seconds. You could say, my friend is cooking dinner. Interesting. Now, let's talk about what's happening around you. What are people doing in your neighborhood today? You have 10 seconds. You might answer, people are walking their dogs. Nice. What are your family members doing right now? You have 10 seconds. You could say, my family is watching TV. Great. What are you doing in your free time this week? You have 10 seconds. An example could be, I am playing video games or drawing. That sounds fun. Now, I have a question for you. What is something interesting you are learning or experiencing right now? Write your answer in the comments below. You did an excellent job practicing the present continuous tense with me today. Keep up the great work, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytextbook for more engaging lessons. See you next time. Bye.